Do you want to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing? In this video, I'll show you how to turn that feature off for more privacy. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. At the top right, you may see a footsteps icon or a small profile icon. Tap on it. If you can see a list of people who viewed your profile, that means Profile View History is currently turned on. Now go back to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy, then scroll down and select Viewers. Here you'll see the Profile View History option. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off. Once disabled, other people won't be able to see when you visit their TikTok profile. But keep in mind, you also won't be able to see who viewed your profile anymore. This is a great option if you want to browse TikTok more privately without sending profile visit notifications. That's how you can stop people from seeing that you viewed their TikTok profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.